You don't know, eh? It's an easy thing, eh? Yalla. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is X. You're watching Black Batch Canada. Let's get it. So today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys my 2014 RS5, which I got this about 2 months ago. In case you didn't check the video, just make sure you browse the channel and check the video out. So yeah, let's get it. So this is my 2014 Audi RS5. Like I mentioned before, I've had this car for about 2 months and a couple weeks. So far so good. So I'm gonna be showing you guys, well, I'm gonna be doing like an actual review on the car. So let's get it. So yeah, guys, this car came equipped with keyless entries. Right now I do currently have my keys in my pocket, and the car is pretty locked. So pretty much what you do, you insert your hands in the door, it's unlocked. Over here and over here, that's locked, unlocked, as you can see right there, locked, unlocked. There we go, guys. So let's pop the hood and see underneath. All right, let's get it. My apologies for the mess, guys, but starting from here, this section here, some of these cars come with the carbon fiber. Mine doesn't come with the carbon fiber option. It matches with the silver that I currently have on this car. So anyways, let's pop the hood. And interior looking nice, like this is premium. But anyways, we'll touch on that in a bit. But over here, right there, this is where you pop the hood. Alright guys, let's check the hood, see what's good. But underneath the hood, underneath here, we do have a 4.2 actually V8 4.2 liter, no turbo, it's natural aspirated. So let's see what's good. Alright guys, underneath the hood we got a V8 4.2 liter natural aspirated. We got the air filters here, so on both sides. I want to change this here right there. I want to change that to carbon fiber. It looks pretty neat. I have seen cars with carbon fiber, but that option there is gonna cost me about 600, close to $800 plus install. But anyways, so here, that's where you actually fill your oil, like you top up the oil. So you can't really get this oil in Canada. You can't get this oil at any part shop like Canadian Tire. You can't get those oils there. The only place you can get that oil, you can only get it at your local Audi dealership, which I found out, whatever, when you own a car like this, you got to pay the price regardless. But yeah, so there's the hood, guys. It's pretty hot, so I ain't gonna touch anything. And then here, I'm used to this stuff, but over here you got the windshield washer, which is over here. It's pretty hard to, like, when you have to top off your windshield washer, it's so hard to get it because I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, right there, you got like a filter, so it's pretty hard. So when you're topping off your windshield washer, you gotta be careful. If not, you're gonna spill all over the place. All right, okay, but yeah, there we go. Like I mentioned before, guys, in the back I do have fog lights, which I'm gonna be showing you guys in a bit. But in the back, it do come with a spoiler. So over there, so this is an active spoiler, which is very efficient. I like it. I've never had a car with a spoiler, and not just say an active spoiler. And over here in there you do have the exhaust, but this is fake. you have to go all, you see over there, there you go. So yeah guys, you do come with a quartz exhaust, two over there and two over there. So what I want to do is I want to actually change the diffuser. I would like to probably get maybe carbon fiber. I did put an order for one, but I don't know when it's gonna come through, but we'll see what's up. So yeah, moving forward, it do comes with 360 sensor. So you have the sensors over there, over here. But yeah, so you got the rear sensors and it comes with the front sensor. Alright guys, the trunk space in this car is pretty, believe it or not, it's pretty big. So there are three ways you can unlock the trunk. First, the traditional way, you walk to the car over here, right there. That's by the way, it comes with a backup with a reverse camera right there. So anyways, what you do, you come to the car traditional way, you pop it up, trunk, or you can actually use your key. So on your keys guys, it comes with lock, unlock, and the trunk release. So you hold that and you release the trunk, and then you have the panic button, then you have the Audi logo. Then if you turn that around, actually says RS5. So this same key, you can get the same key with the R8. I believe we're an A class, I'm not too sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, it has the same case as the R8. So yeah, this is actually finished with nice metallic finish. It's premium finish, so it's pretty cool right there. So yeah guys, I don't know exactly what's the measurement in the trunk, but all I can tell you is that the trunk is pretty, for a coupe, it's pretty huge. So I'm gonna show you guys just now. There we go. So over there, excuse my mess, but over here, as you can see, I have my work bag, I have my sweater, and I do have my tripod right there, and you know, just some stuff to clean the car. But if you look a little bit deeper, you do have enough space. You can even fit, or probably say maybe one or two bodies in the back there. And by the way, the lights in the rear lights are all LED as well, and you come with the fog light like I mentioned before. So once you go inside the car, I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how to activate the spoiler as well as the fog lights. So let's get it. So guys, moving forward, here's the interior. So it's all leather, leather steering wheel, leather seat, and you do have the RS5 logo on the seat, which is pretty cool. That's a good finish. And to get in the back, actually this is released right here, right there. So all you have to do, you pull that lever, pull it forward. Then you do have a back and a forward button right there. So what you have to do, you move that forward and you hop in. So in the back, I'm not gonna show a demonstration of what the back seat looks like. Watch my other videos, browse through my channel, and you're gonna see that. But anyways, so in the back here, you do have enough space. You can actually fit two adults comfortably, like for real. So you do have leg room. I know it might look on the video, it might look like you're crushing yourself, but no, you do have enough leg room in the back, because the way is, when you're sitting in the back, you're all the way leaning backwards, so you do actually have leg room. But like I mentioned to you, browse through my channel and you'll see me in the back seat. I don't know. There are two ways to get the driver's side seat back to its initial position. So A, you can go from here, put that, you don't even have to pull the lever, you just push it back and then use that button there, and then pull it back over here like so, or you pull it back, boom, then you go on the driver's seat. You see over here you do have presets, right? So all what I have to do, so if it's on off, and if I do push the preset, nothing's happening. So you actually have to push that button. Then I'm preset 1. As you can tell, it's moving back to its initial position. Pretty cool. But yeah, memory save. So guys, inside the car, on your left side, you do have the fog light. So if it came with the front fog light, you're gonna have another button right there. So like I mentioned to you, this is the European spec, so it didn't come with the front fog light, which that's fine. I can integrate that in the near future. All right, so over here you push the fog light, it's active, but the car is currently off, so I'm gonna turn that on eventually. So over here you do have your lights off, on auto, lights on, lights off, but I always leave it in auto just in case if you forget to turn off your lights, it might drain your battery. But on the dash here, I do have about 81,913 kilometers.
I just like the sound.
So I got this car with a little bit over 76,000 kilometers, and it's currently 20.5 degrees Celsius. It's pretty hot, but right now it's just humid though. But yeah. All right, so guys, there are 2 ways to start the car. First is to push to start, or you actually have to insert the key. So I do have the keys with me. So over here, this is the keys. Or what you just have to do, give me 1 second. So on your right, that's the keys. You put it in here. But if not, over here you do have your push to start right there, and you do have your parking brake. So this is electronic parking brakes, and then you have your shift lever, so that's where you activate the spoiler. And then you have all your navigation, telephone, your driver select, media, radio, your car, you back it up, and the menu. So here's the main button that you're gonna be using the most in this car, because you toggle through your infotainment system. So this is the MMI system. That's the Audi system. So yeah, and then over there you do have your emergency lights and your 2 air freshener. And over here it comes equipped with the CD player, which I do have one in there. Came with the car. So 2 ways to select your drive select. So one from here, or the second option, which I always use this option, I go through car. Alright, let's get this car started. I'm gonna shut down the hood, and then let's get this started just now, one time. Alright, so push to start right there. Put your foot on the brakes. So the car is pretty warm right now, so obviously you're not gonna get the exhaust noise, and my apologies for the noise, but my door is currently open.
I just like the sound.
So that's why you get the noise. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap it in comfort, auto, then dynamic. Alright, so this is comfort. So that was comfort. Auto, it should be the same thing, but let's see what it does. Not too much of a difference, but alright. Now let's get this to dynamic. So this is gonna be dynamic. Alright, let's get it. You get more of a raw sound, like that's a Chewbacca, Chewbacca. There you go. Chewbacca one time, eh? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and browse through the channel in case if you haven't done that already. Alright, my name is X one more time. Remember that, X. Alright, you don't know, eh? It's an inside thing, eh? Chewbacca, aka, you don't know. Yalla.